Good morning. I have to find my tripod, but I woke up this morning. The air was nice and cool. Last night, the air was crisp. It was great. There was a breeze. So that means it is time to make fall wearables. I mean, I was going to say and fall accessories, but I make those all year round. So we're just going to make some more. So yeah. Also, check out this little cup. I got it at Aldi's. It was super cute. So I want to do some like granny square leg warmers with like the ribbing at the top and bottom, and then maybe like a little string to like tighten them because I know they'll stretch out. Maybe put some little pumpkins on it. Um, I found these two colors at Dollar Tree when I went yesterday to get some decorations for the house. I want to use these colors. I am also thinking of pairing a brown and a like a mustardy yellow with it, and then the ribbing and the outer of the square and the connecting parts are going to be cream. I think that'll look really good. I think it gives fall. And if I have enough left over, I'll either make like an ear warmer or fingerless gloves. It really depends. We'll see where we go. But yeah, that's what's going to be in this video is mainly the leg warmers. And if I choose to do hand warmers to match them, I will also put them in there. But yeah, so let's get going and make some cute fall wearables. So I have both of the ribbing bands for the top of the leg warmer done. And I'm going to attach one of them. I have the base of one leg warmer so far. I have to do the other one, and then I think I'm gonna do the ribbing first, the bottom ribbing first for both of them, and then work on the other one. That way I can just sew it all up at once. But yeah, that's where we are. I'm finishing my rewatch, like fifth rewatch of Hill House, and then I'll probably start Gilmore Girls. I've never watched Gilmore Girls. Don't come for me. I don't know. I've just never had an interest in my 33 years. Haven't had an interest. But everyone says it's very cozy, it's very fall, very, very nice. So I'm gonna start that after Hill House. I think I got 2 more episodes. That'll probably carry me through the rest of the leg warmer, but I'm gonna go work on the bottom ribbing and I will be back. So I have finished one and I have the tie through it. I just use the peaches and cream cotton, the brown, and I don't know if I'm going to use this orange or I have like a Karen one, and I don't know, like it's just a deeper orange. I might use that, and I'm going to make little pumpkins. I'm going to put polyfill in it, and then I'm going to attach them to the strings. And once that's done, I'll show you what it looks like, and then we will work on the second one, which I'm really excited. I love how these colors came out. I really like it. I think it's going to be really cute, and I can't wait for the weather to get just a little bit cooler, and I can wear these. But on to the second one, and the pumpkins, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I am now working on the other 4 granny squares for um, the other leg warmer. I tried to find the Gilmore Girls on Netflix, and all I could find was the year later. So now I'm watching Detective Forced. I think it's Polish, like it's a Polish crime drama, and so far it's pretty interesting. But so I have 2 more colors to add to this, 3 more colors to add to these. Then I will come back and sew them up and then add the the ribbing on both ends. The bottom ribbing, so I have the top ribbing, and then the bottom ribbing I made longer, but I also did in twos. Kind of like, I don't know, it just seemed easier to me. I don't know. There's no method to my madness when it comes to this, but I'm gonna finish up those and get them sewn together, and then I'll be back. And then we just have to do the string and the pumpkins. So, yeah. Okay, so I took 2 of the squares and sewed them together. And then I took the other 2 and I also sewed those together. So then I'm going to go around both sides here and do double crochets down it for both of them, and then I'm going to attach those and then single crochet around the top and the bottom and then attach the ribbing. So I'm going to do that. I'll be back once everything is attached, and then I will make the string to tighten it, and then we'll work on the pumpkins. So, yeah. Okay, so I have finished both of the leg warmers. I did kind of mess up on one and sew one side on backwards, but we're just going to say it gives it character. And I have my 4 little ribbed pieces for my little pumpkins. I am going to add like some greenery to it. And then I'm going to attach it to the strings, and then I will show you guys the final product. But yeah, so I'm going to finish these pumpkins, attach them, attach the leaves, and then we'll go to what they look like. So I have them finished, and I have the little pumpkins on them. I tried to add like little leaves for the pumpkins, but then it made them look like oranges, in my opinion. And I didn't want people thinking I was walking around with oranges on my leg warmers. So, but I think these came out really cute. I love them. I can't wait to try them on. I'll put them on and take some pictures and post that after this. But all in all, I got this done. I started it yesterday? Was it yesterday I started? Maybe it was the day before. But all in all, it was about maybe a day and a half of work. I probably could have got it done in one day if I really put my mind to it, but I wasn't really trying to rush or anything like that. I'm glad I did finish it today though, because I do have to start on a cardigan for my mom. That's what she wants for her birthday. So I will be working on that, and then I will be making an orange cardigan for my son because he said he would like one of those. So yeah, this was a fun, little easy thing to do if y'all want like a video on how to do it. I mean, it's not really hard, but that's what you want, I can post a video on how to make it. I would definitely make more of these. I might do a Christmas one, who knows. But yeah, I did not end up making the hand warmers. Uh but there's still time. There's still yarn. I could make them. But yeah, so thanks for coming along on this crafting adventure with me in this video. if you enjoyed it or you enjoy crochet or bookish things. I will get back into the reading Wednesdays. I know I fell off of that. I'm sorry. Bookish things, art, stuff like that. Be sure to subscribe. There will be more crochet. There will be more book stuff. There will be more art. And subscribing really helps. It grows the channel. It helps me know that people are interested in seeing this. But yeah. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.